Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I got new shoes right here because these shoes, if you can't tell, perfectly fine. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the bottom. Like, the swans are part. Here's a hole. And you got this hole. It's weird because I didn't skate to switch. Like, this is the foot I used to flick with. This is the foot I used to ollie with. This is the foot I used to pop with. And just holes everywhere. Like, right now, like, my finger is not, like, I can put my finger through them. And, like, they're still good shoes, it's just, this part's not good, so I can't skate them anymore. So, new shoes right here. I usually get America's, but, I really couldn't find any that I wanted a lot, so I got these because I haven't had these in a long time. They're the Mayfair, I think they're called, 1.5. I don't know if you guys can see them. Oh, look. Nice. Yeah, it seems like the insole might not be. It's the insole. It's really weird, but okay. They are 10.5. But that's what they were, and I hope these shoes are nice, and I hope they work out well for me. But I'll be skating these, and maybe I'll do a review on these because these are my second pair, which I've had these for almost 3 months, and that's the only wear on my flicking foot. But if this didn't happen, I could be skating these for who knows how long. I could be skating these for a really long time. It sucks that this had to happen, but like, gave it so I could get new shoes. Last time I had the Griffins, the Lakai Griffins, and I blew all all of that out on the Griffins, like that much of the foot. But yeah, that's my unboxing of the Lakai Mayfair, I think they're called. But yeah, peace.